Today we're making some of the best Guyanese chicken chow mein. Get in here, let's get started. So we're going to start with some clean washed chicken. Today I'm using chicken thighs and tenders, and I'm going to add a little of this spice oil. I will link it below for those that are interested. I'm going to add some fresh green seasoning, and I found this sauce in my local grocery store and just decided to give it a try. So I'm going to add some of this and a little bit of cassareep. Now for those who like to tussle in the comments, but cassareep don't go in chow mein, just a little bit you're adding. You're not adding the whole bottle, so it could taste like pepper pot. So here I added these seasonings, and I will list everything I use in my description or the caption. Mix well and let it marinate for about an hour. Next, I'm going to mix up a quick sauce using some cassareep. I will add some soy sauce, a little bit of that chow mein sauce, and some water. Mix well and set aside. Here to my boiling water, I will add a little salt, and this is the chow mein noodles I will be using today, but feel free to use any kind of your choice. I don't usually break up my noodles anymore. I go in with the kitchen scissors and cut it up and just give it a quick toss, and that's it. To a separate pot with some oil, I added my chicken, give it a quick toss, and you let it cook until it produces own moisture. Once that is done, this is how it should be looking. We'll let that moisture evaporate, and then we'll move on to the next step. So at this point, we'll now add some aromatics. I'm using onions, bell peppers, garlic, and ginger. Give it a quick toss and let it go for about 2 minutes so it can release all the aroma. Next, we'll add our vegetables. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Today I'm using carrot, cabbage, and green beans. I added a little seasoning to flavor them up. Give them a quick toss. Let it go for about 3 minutes. And then we will add our chow mein noodles. My kitchen smells absolutely amazing. Like when I say my chow mein recipe is one of the best out there, you have to try it to see what I'm talking about. So now we're going to go ahead and add that chow mein, and you're going to give it a good toss. Make sure it's coated well with the vegetables and the chicken. And now most Guyanese will leave this just as it is. They're going to just serve it up like this. But this is an absolute no for me, because I like my chow mein moist, and that sauce that we mixed up earlier, that's what I'm going to add in to create that moisture and a little more color to my chow mein. I hate white chow mein and a chow mein that looks super dry. So this is perfection for me. And yeah, that's basically it. I like to come in with some more cabbage and carrots and some scallion and parsley. And that's it. I like my chow mein packed with vegetables, because it's basically a one-pot dish, right? So you want your meat and your vegetables in there so you could get your nutrients. And yeah, this is it. It's all done. We can now plate up and enjoy. And all authentic Guyanese know that you cannot serve chow mein by itself. It has to go with plain white rice. So yeah, I serve mine up with some plain white rice. And that's it. My version of the most delicious Guyanese chicken chow mein. So give this recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.